Hi, David here from Lancaster Automart A to B, and here we've got a 2017 67 plate MG ZS. It's the 1 litre turbo and it's automatic, and it's also the exclusive model, so it's top spec. So what I'll be doing in this video is just showing you around condition of the vehicle and showing you some of the features it comes with. So as far as condition goes, we usually start with driver's side rear wheel, so we'll go in close there. So I'll just spend a little bit longer on this wheel so you can take the alloy design in. So it is a diamond cut design, this one. And as you can see there isn't any wear or tear on this one. And down the side of the vehicle, you can see there's no scratches, no dents. Keep the camera on there as we move around just to show. But again, no wear or tear to be seen anywhere. Same with the wing mirror cap. Then onto the driver's side front alloy. Again, no wear or tear to be found. So moving on round to the front then, you can see there's no cloud, no headlights at all. In very good condition there. You've got the nice MG grille there, which I think is quite nicely done actually. It certainly fits the car. And we've got other headlight there. No clouding on that one either. And also just while we're there, there's no stone chips anywhere to be seen on the bonnet. As they're obviously a lot worse if you get them on the bonnet than the bumper, because the bumper's plastic, the bonnet can rust, so I just want you to know that there's nothing there. Usually it's around that front edge. So moving on from there, onto the passenger side, front alloy. Spend a second on that, there isn't any curbing on that one either. And then down the side of the vehicle, we'll just start with the wing mirror cap again. So it's in very, very good condition, this. It's done definitely below the average amount of miles you'd expect from a car per year, which is about 10,000. It's just under 5 years old now, it's only done around 23,000, so it's in sort of the condition you expect for the mileage, but slightly better than you'd expect for the age. Then onto the back of the vehicle, so you do get parking sensors on the rear. So you got 3 of those, 1 in the middle, 2 at each edge. However, you do also get reverse camera on this model, with it being the exclusive. So I'll just show what the boot's like as well first. So you do get a button on the key if you just want to unlock just the boot. So you pop that open. The boot is fairly large, and there's 2 quite deep pockets either side. So what I'll do is I'll just lift that up just to show. There's one over there, so you can keep slightly taller items in, and then underneath you do get a tyre inflation kit, so the fluid's just there. And the actual inflation kit's just there. But yeah, so I'll just put one of the seats down in front, just to show what it's like with that down. And there we are. So it does go up slightly, it's not completely flat, but it really isn't that far off. And I'm sure the seat can be pushed down just a little bit further. But from here you can see it gives you plenty of load space through. But we'll have a look at that from inside the rear as well. So you can see there, plenty of room to load items in. What I'll do is I'll just put the seat up as well. Just get the seat belt out of the way. So this model does come with a slightly nicer interior as well than the XI. So you'll see it's leather interior all round. Very nice place to be. And then into the front. I just didn't quite shut that rear door properly. There we go. So into the front you do get electric windows all round. You've also got your lock and unlock just above there next to the door handle, which is quite a logical place to put it. I'm not sure why not all manufacturers do that. And then into the vehicle, once again, you've got nice leather seats at the front. I've got to say they're really supportive as well. And then you've got electrically adjustable wing mirrors just there. A little sort of slot to keep maybe your house keys just underneath. And what I'll do is I'll just start the engine up. I apologise in advance because I've not quite worked out how to turn the radio off straight away, so it will probably kick into life and make a lot of noise. But it does show how many miles you've got till the next service, so it's 2,400, so chances are we're going to service this before it's ever handed over to a customer. But there you are, the mileage, 23,786, so it's done considerably less than the average sort of 8 to 10,000 per year. On to features inside them. So you've got some controls here to flip through electric computer just in front, so that's these ones around here with the OK button. You've got a couple of other ones down here, one being a voice control. Over on this side is your more radio focus controls. So you've got a plus and minus for your volume, got skip track or change radio station there, and then a mute button in the middle. Then you've got a dedicated phone button to answer and end calls alongside your source. However, it'd be a bit easier to show all this through the screen itself. So you've got your audio at the top left, so you do get other settings there if you've got an input going in. So it's on the where it says music there, that'll pop up if you put something in, for example down there where you connect a device up with Bluetooth audio, that will appear on here under music. And then back onto the home screen again, so you just press this centre button, brings you onto there. You've got settings for the car itself, so you've got comfort and convenience, that's more finding your car and lighting, but I've never actually pressed all this, so I'll investigate that. So that's your steering wheel button function, so that'll be this one here, so you can change what that does. Then got your driving and maintenance, so that's your steering input, so whether it's urban, normal, dynamic, and you've got reset to factory settings, so we're not going to mess with that one. But then other things on the screen, you may notice it's got navigation, this model, so it does take a second to load, but I think the reason why is because it's actually a really good navigation system when it loads. It's quite clear, very simple, and you just press the accept at the bottom, and there we go. It doesn't give you anything you don't need, just the main roads, gives you the road names. It's quite a nice system actually, I've got to say, not too much info either. I'll just go back onto the home screen. So you do also get Apple CarPlay in this vehicle as well, so you'd use the USB down there for that one. And then you do get air conditioning, so it's not climate control in here, but the air conditioning does work in a really simple way. So sorry, I'm going for the wrong one. So you've got a temperature there. If you adjust that, you'll see this little needle moving. So there's your temperature, and you've got a button for your aircon, so if you turn that off, the lights up or goes off. So all of these essentially affect everything that comes up. So we'll adjust the fan speed, turn it right up, you can see that there. So it's a really easy system to use. It's fairly old school but quite new school with the way that it's all shown on the screen, so it's quite a nice system to use there. And then as I've already shown, you've got a USB socket down there, and if I can get it out, 12 volt power outlet. There we go. And then you've also got a nice automatic gearbox. I've got to say, it really is nice to use this one. So you've got park, reverse, neutral, drive. And your drive does have the ability to shift if you want. So you just move over to the left, I believe. So I'll just keep my foot on the brake. Yeah, so you just come over to the left and then you've got up or down for your gearing. However, if you go over that way again, you're just back in D. So it's a really nice, straightforward gearbox to use. Really have no complaints about that whatsoever. And just in the centre, got a nice manual handbrake, 2 cup holders there, and there is this little storage area with a little plastic tray at the back there. So it's all very nicely laid out, very simple to use. Gearbox, really nice as well. So yeah, if there's anything that I've not covered, oh, and just, I've caught something I haven't covered, so you do get automatic lights in this vehicle, and you've got cruise control just down there. And over on the other side, you do have intermittent wipers, so you can adjust how intense they are with this little wheel here. So it does do a lot for you. Lights are automatic and everything, so you pretty much just get in, press start, and off you go. So if there is anything I've not covered in this video, or a little bit of extra info you'd like, don't hesitate to get in contact, and I'll see what I can do to help out. Thanks, take care, bye.